Hello ladies and gentlemen, so if you are doing your driving lessons right now, I'm a driving instructor and this is a lesson on roundabouts, okay? So, don't know why they're waiting so far back. At this roundabout, I'm going to go right, second exit. So, centre mirror, right mirror, signal up, down to second gear, off the clutch gently on the brake, look to the right, I can go. Around the inside of the roundabout, centre mirror, left mirror, signal left, and leave the roundabout. Nice and simple. So now we're going to skedaddle on down. You get on your side of the road, please, thank you. We're going to go down to the next roundabout. And at that roundabout, I am going to go straight ahead, second exit. Now, you always use the left lane to go straight ahead, second exit, unless the road markings or signs tell you otherwise. So, as I'm driving up to this roundabout, I'll be thinking I'm using the left lane. So, driving up, looking at the road marking, the left lane goes straight, lovely. So I'm gently slowing down, getting down a second gear, off the clutch gently, looking to my right, slowing down, I can stop because there's a car there. Into first gear, and I can go. So, move away gently around the outside of the roundabout, check your centre mirror, left mirror, signal left, up to second gear, and leave the roundabout. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff to say, but there's a lot of stuff to do in there. Now, when I get to the next roundabout, I will be going right, third exit. Okay, so, centre mirror, right mirror, signal right, down to second gear, off the clutch, gently brake. I can't go first gear. Now I wait, and I can go second gear, around the inside of the roundabout, check my centre mirror, left mirror, signal left, cancel my signal, go to third gear. And that's it. We've got first exit to go, okay. At this roundabout, we're gonna go right, fourth exit, back on myself. So, centre mirror, right mirror, signal right, down to second gear, off the clutch, gently brake in, I can go. This is what I'm saying, roundabouts are not hard, you just gotta take your time with it. And then, mirrors and signal to leave. Up in a third gear, and cruise. Now, remember what I mentioned before about going straight ahead? One sec. Well, I'm going left first exit, mirrors and signal. Sorry, I've lost my train of thought now. So, at this next roundabout, I'm going to go straight ahead, second exit. Remember I said, the left lane's always to go straight ahead, second exit, unless road markings or signs tell you otherwise. Well, my good ladies and sirs, at this roundabout, I'm going straight ahead, second exit. The right lane goes straight ahead, as you can see, and he's coming, so I will stop into first gear. After him, I can go and move away around the inside of the roundabout, second gear, mirrors and signal left. Splendid. Now, I'm going to do a bit of a snazzy one now. Well, not now, after now. But the next one will be left first exit, okay? Very easy, very nice, very simple. As I'm driving up to this roundabout, I'm just driving. And there's nothing to worry about with driving, because if you see they're on their side of the road and you're on your side of the road, well, how are you gonna crash? You're not, exactly. At the roundabout, I'm going left first exit, centre mirror, left mirror, signal left, down a second gear, off the clutch, gently braking in the middle, because I can't go in the left, and I can go around, cancel my signal, third gear. Now, there are going to be two roundabouts coming up, okay, very saucy. I'm going left first exit, then right third exit. Now, they're both normal roundabouts, but we're going to look at the sign, okay? So, normally, left first exit, as you know, is the left-hand lane. Well, I'm going left first exit, and then right third exit. So as we're driving up, we're going to look at the sign, and it shows the left and the right lanes go left, and the right lane goes straight. Splendid. I will join the right lane. I will mirrors. I will signal. I will get down to first gear. Now we've got a little bit of traffic. All good in the hood. Nothing to worry about. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my time and remember what I'm doing. So I'm going left first exit and then right third exit, which means I'll be in the right lane to go left first exit into the right lane, then right third exit and leaving the left lane as per usual. As we can see, it's clear to go, so I will proceed. I'm then going right third exit, so mirrors, signal, first gear. They should go. Okay, so I can go second gear, third gear, and there we go. That's it. It's driving. Mirrors and signal, and leaving the left lane if it is safe to do so. And once you're in the new road, this is now 50 miles an hour speed limit. Start increasing my speed. Mirrors and signal right, increase my speed up into fourth gear, then into fifth gear. When I get far enough past the vehicle, I can then proceed back into the left-hand lane. Mirrors, signal. For some reason, no one's doing the speed limit, which is absolutely fine. But I'm trying to show you the good things to do on this drive, not the bad things to do. So you should always stick in the left-hand lane unless you are using the right for any reason. For example, if you're going right third exit at the roundabout, you'll need the right lane. But if you're going anywhere else, like left or straight ahead, you'll need the left lane. So you're always going to be in the left lane unless you needed that right lane. And that is called our normal driving position. Very fancy. At the next roundabout, I'm going to go right third exit. I'm going to go left first exit and then right second exit. Okay? So left first exit and then right second exit. This is a normal roundabout, and the next one is a mini roundabout. Center mirror, left mirror, signal left, down to second gear, off the clutch gently, back on the brake. On the gas, proceeding in second gear. Cancel my signal, going right second exit, mirrors and signal. It's a mini roundabout. When I leave, I do not have to signal, as you'll see. So, and that's it. Mini roundabout complete. We now have a few more mini roundabouts. I'm going straight ahead, second exit. I do not have to do my mirrors and I do not have to signal because it's a mini roundabout. I just give way to my right. Where's he going? Straight? Splendid, so am I. Okie dokie, now I'm driving this way. Soon I'm going to get up to 2 mini roundabouts. Excuse me. Blimey O'Reilly. I'm going to get up to 2 mini roundabouts and I'm going to go straight ahead at both of them. As you will see, I do no mirrors and signals at all. I just give way to my right and get down to second gear. Check to my right, it is clear to go. Check to my right, it is clear to go. And now it's a 40. And that concludes my first driving lesson. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, please follow. And please request in the comments anything you're struggling with on your driving lessons and anything I can be of assistance with, because I would really like to help. Thank you and have a splendid day. Bye.